After installing and first login and do the settings, the product is ready to use. How to use it? It's explained in the flyer inside your pack. First thing is paste the QR code, then scan the QR code, activate. I'll show how to do it. So you have the rack IDs and 500 QR codes inside the pack. So the rack IDs can be used for identifying which rack in your fridge the product is placed. So the rack ID sticker to be placed in different racks. So you can use, we are giving 50 rack IDs you can use for that. So these are the rack IDs. You can take rack ID from this and use the stickers in fridge. Something like this, you can stick the rack IDs. Just for notifying where you pasted it. Also you have 500 stickers. Each sticker you can use for each container. So just take a sticker like this, take out the sticker and paste it on the container or cup or wherever you need, doesn't matter where you can.